Imagine setting out on a journey, a map in your hand, and an experienced guide by your side, ready to help you navigate the vast world of travel. That's the first, and perhaps one of the most significant reasons to consider a travel advisor for your next adventure. Travel advisors are like modern-day cartographers, with an in-depth understanding of various destinations, from popular tourist spots to hidden gems. They don't just plan your travel, they tailor it to your unique preferences and needs. Their expertise and relationships within the industry allow them to provide personalized itineraries and recommendations that you won't find in a typical guidebook or a quick online search. They stay updated on the latest travel industry trends, changes, and hidden surprises to ensure a smooth journey for their clients. This means no unexpected closures or last-minute changes that could disrupt your plans. With a travel advisor, you're not just booking a trip. You're leveraging years of experience and insider knowledge to create your perfect journey. So why not sit back, relax, and let the experts take care of the details? In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into the concept of travel advisors and how they can transform your vacation into an unforgettable experience. Imagine this: while you're organizing the details and endless possibilities for your next big adventure, you're feeling overwhelmed. A travel advisor can help in this situation. With their experience and insider knowledge, they are your own concierges, prepared to plan the vacation of your dreams. You save time and stress since they take care of every detail, from customized itineraries to exclusive benefits. Imagine having individualized experiences, smooth coordination, and support around the clock at your disposal. What makes utilizing a travel advisor for your upcoming vacation worthwhile then? Let's explore 20 strong arguments. Bid farewell to standard travel itinerary. A travel advisor creates custom itineraries based on your particular requirements and interests. Rather than travel plans that are tailored to every individual, picture a trip that reflects your interests, speed, and aspirations. Your travel advisor will incorporate your interests, whether you're a foodie, history buff, or adrenaline addict, into a schedule that's as distinctive as you are. Still, that's not all. Your travel advisor carefully arranges every aspect of your trip, including the lodging, guided tours, flights, and free time. They take care of every little detail, sparing you from hours of study and comparison shopping, as well as the anxiety that comes with handling logistics. So relax and relish the excitement of your journey without having to worry about the details. Imagine not having to worry about organizing every little detail for a trip that is tailored specifically for you. It is the advantage of employing a travel advisor. Who doesn't enjoy having access to special benefits and getting the most for their money? A travel advisor can offer precisely that. Envision gaining entry to exclusive offers and promotions that aren't typically accessible to the general public. Imagine yourself getting free hotel upgrades or VIP treatment with a glass of champagne upon arrival, all because of the contacts your travel advisor has. Additionally, travel consultants are pros at making the most out of your budget. They can assist you in making the most of your financial situation so that you can take advantage of all a location has to offer without going over budget. They can help you uncover a hidden gem of a boutique hotel that provides luxury at a fraction of the price, or suggests the ideal time of year to travel to avoid the busiest times of the year. You get a vacation with a travel advisor, but you also get an experience that is jam-packed with value. It's not always easy to travel. However, if you work with a travel advisor, you can get personalized experiences that suit your interests and 24/7 emergency help. Consider yourself stranded in a foreign nation with no knowledge of the language or customs of the locals. You have someone to call, a travel advisor, who can help you right away and who knows what you're going through. This is the appeal of round-the-clock emergency support. Now consider the kinds of experiences you would like to have while traveling. Or you want to wander off the beaten route, experience the local food, or both? A travel advisor creates a trip experience that is uniquely yours by customizing your itinerary to fit your interests. They can suggest experiences that you might not find on your own because they have a thorough awareness of the locations. You can travel with confidence knowing that you have an expert at your side who is willing to help and make sure your experience is completely your own. Do you want to organize a hassle-free family holiday or find hidden gems? You are in good hands with a travel advisor. They are like having your own personal travel advisors, full of insider knowledge and tricks that travel guides fail to reveal. They can direct you to that gorgeous secret beach that's only accessible to locals or that charming family-run eatery hidden down a small lane. Additionally, there is the aspect that is suitable for families. Travel advisors are excellent at planning trips suitable for any age group. They are knowledgeable about the safest, most thrilling adventure parks, the most interesting museums, and the best accommodations for families. In order to guarantee that every member of the family enjoys the time of their lives, they can also set up baby gear rentals, nanny services, or unique children's activities. Additionally, they serve as your safety net, ready to intervene in the event of unforeseen circumstances like a delayed flight, misplaced luggage, or an unexpected illness. Are you a foodie searching for the greatest gastronomic adventures, or are you interested in traveling sustainably? That is something your travel advisor can arrange. It goes without saying that eco-friendly travel is a movement rather than just a fad. Travel agents are leading the charge in this, advocating environmentally beneficial choices that strengthen local economies and protect the environment. They may direct you toward eco-friendly lodging, environmentally friendly activities, and transportation options with low-carbon emissions. But let's not forget about the food enthusiasts out there. Imagine enjoying the regional food and discovering the depth of flavor that really characterizes a place. Travel consultants can offer excellent dining recommendations because they are constantly monitoring the culinary scene. They have what you are looking for. Whether it is a gourmet dining experience, a traditional street food stand, or a hidden gem of a restaurant, savor the finest regional cuisine, carefully selected by your travel advisor while traveling sustainably. Organizing a multi-destination or group travel itinerary can be a pain. However, not if you have a travel consultant. Imagine yourself planning a vacation for a number of friends or relatives while balancing their disparate schedules, tastes, and financial constraints. Does not it feel like you are piecing together a huge puzzle? This is when a travel advisor can come to the rescue. Travel advisors are professionals at organizing group travel arrangements. They can arrange smooth transportation, locate the finest discounts for large groups, and see to it that everyone's demands are satisfied. They can handle any type of event, including destination weddings, multi-generational vacations, and family reunions. Remembering multi-destination trips is also important. It can be very taxing to try to arrange a schedule that visits several cities or nations. However, travel advisors are extremely knowledgeable and experienced in planning these kinds of vacations. They have the ability to make connections, maximizing travel schedules and routes to guarantee you get the most out of your experience. You will save money and time as well as lessen stress by hiring an expert to handle these complex jobs. No more worrying about last-minute alterations or booking confirmations causing sleepless nights. Everything is in the hands of your travel advisor. They will take care of any hiccups in the road so you can concentrate on the adventure that lies ahead. Preserve money, time, and ease tension. Leave the complicated arrangements for group or multi-destination travel to your travel advisor. So, let's quickly recap the 20 reasons why you should consider using a travel advisor for your next trip. They create customized itineraries for you based on their in-depth destination expertise and professional advice. They take care of all the planning, save you time, and give you special access to discounts and benefits. They provide hassle-free booking, efficient logistical management, and budget optimization so you can get the most out of your money. They design experiences that are tailored to your interests and are available to you around the clock in case of an emergency. Take pleasure in seamless trip arrangements, comfort in knowing that every aspect has been skillfully planned, and insider advice for genuine experiences. They offer family-friendly solutions, VIP service, access to favored suppliers, and multi-destination vacation coordination. In addition, they support eco-friendly travel choices, provide gastronomic adventures, chances for cultural immersion, knowledge of group travel, and ultimately, they save you stress, money, and time. Keep these 20 points in mind the next time you make travel plans, and think about hiring a travel advisor. Your future self will thank you.